Greeting Head Start parents. It's almost time for our Head Start centers to reopen. I know many of our children and parents are ready to regain some type of normalcy within their lives. The nation is experiencing many challenging times within the coronavirus or the COVID 19 spreading throughout our communities. Due to the current pandemic, our plan for reopening has changed many times, and our parents are constantly inquiring about how Head Start will operate. ICS wants to ensure families that we will provide safe and healthy measures for all of our children, our families, and employees as we attempt to reopen the centers for the 2020-2021 school term. The coronavirus pandemic has changed the way we will do things this year. Our Head Start centers are expecting to open on August the 17th for our teaching staff and other support employees to provide training techniques regarding sanitizing, operating our training equipment, and how to proper provide safety tips for our children. The children will start virtual classes on August the 31st. The directors and policy council, they've agreed to use virtual training at the beginning of the school term. And if the COVID-19 lessened its effects upon the state, we might be able to resume face-to-face training for our children in October, along with virtual learning. We will give our children technology pads, and we are encouraging our parents, along with their children, to work with the children with these activities we assign. Meals will be served daily, and our children will operate on a general schedule Monday through Thursday, and Friday will be remote conference training for our parents and the child. If we're able to open face-to-face, we will enroll the children to ensure that they are wearing masks on the buses and in the centers. We will limit our visitors to the centers this year. Temperature checks will be taken on all children, employees, and visitors, and we will practice social distancing. The administrative staff, we're working hard to try to develop a plan that will provide academic enrichment for our children. We look forward to serving your child and providing the best academic structure, curriculum in lieu of the coronavirus. Our plans are subject to change based on the direction of the growth of the coronavirus or the report from the Mississippi Department of Health and the state officials as we continue to get guidance from the CDC. If you have any questions, call the center directors and they will be able to answer your questions. Do not hesitate to call. As we change our plan, you can see that on our website. We look forward to serving your child, and we are looking forward to having a great school year. Don't forget to wear your mask and continue to practice social distancing. We are going to have a great year. Thank you for sending your child to our Head Start Center.